Hello and welcome. Today, let's dive into the wonderful world of burlap and jute crafts, a place where creativity meets sustainability. Whether you are a beginner creator or passionate DIY lover, burlap offers endless possibilities. In this video, we will explore the benefits of burlap crafts, how they support recycling and eco-friendly ribbon, and why crafting itself is so beneficial for your mind, heart, and home. Burlap, also known as jute fabric, is one of the most eco-friendly material available. First, it is biodegradable, which means it doesn't harm our planet. Unlike plastic decoration, burlap naturally decomposes, leaving no toxic waste. Second, it is strong and durable. Burlap crafts last longer, saving your money and reducing the need for replacement. Third, jute burlap gives a rustic handmade charm to any decoration, perfect for Xmas, wedding, or even everyday home decor. And finally, burlap is budget friendly. A little fabric goes a long way, and you can often reuse old snacks, bags, or fabric scraps, old sacks to create something completely new. Now, next topic is benefits of recycling burlap. Jute. When you're recycling burlap, we are not just saving money, we are saving the earth. Every time you turn an old coffee sack or rice bag into a wall hanging ornament or gift wrap, you are reducing waste. Recycling jute burlap also encourages a minimalist lifestyle, making the most of what we already have instead of buying more. And here's the best part, recycle crafts inspire others. When friends and family see your beautiful handmade burlap pieces, they also feel encouraged to reuse and recycle. This creates a chain reaction of eco-friendly living. Now let's talk about the benefits of crafting itself. Crafting is not just about creating something pretty, it's about creating peace of mind. When you work with our hands and our minds relax, it's like meditation. Creating reduces stress, improves focus, and give us a sense of achievement. Even children benefits, they learn patience, creativity, and problem. Our adults crafting builds confidence. Each finished project reminds us what we can turn simple material into something valuable. And let's not forget the social benefit. Crafting can bring people together. Families can spend quality time creating, and communities can hold so and community can hold it. Imagine making Xmas ornaments for leftover burlap scraps. So, communities can hold workshops that improved bonding and creativity. When we combine burlap recycling and crafting, we create something truly magical. Burlap becomes the canvas, recycling becomes the message, and crafting becomes the art of form. Together, they teach us that beauty doesn't always come from new things. Sometimes it comes from giving old things a new life. Imagine making Xmas ornaments with leftover burlap scraps, or decorating bottles jars with burlap ribbons. That craft doesn't just look good, they also raise sustainability, love for earth, and handmade effort. So next time you can see an old burlap bag, don't throw it away. Instead, think of the countless possibility it holds. Crafting with burlap and recycling is not only a creative journey, it's a lifestyle choice